coming up on some Arnica here. This is a pretty popular trail. This is kind of like a little side trail, so some people get a little mental about, a little extreme about don't take from nature anything, but that's the freaking point of why it's there. I don't mean like rape and pillage the earth, but oh yay, there's some yarrow I'll be tincturing from later. Or getting vinegar from later. But this is the there's my shadow. Hey shadow. This is the Arnica plant. I'm gonna make some oil actually out of this, because as far as what I've understood from it, it's not for consumption unless you're making a homeopathic out of it. So until I get further information on, see, something's crawling up my shirt. You don't want to go up there, whatever you are, you're gonna die. You'll suffocate up there. Anywho, here's my backpack. My cute little memorabilia. Some places I've been. I'll bring my clippers and some scissors for softer plants, and let's see, which bottle do I want to use. This one will be good. I'm going to fill up several actually. I want a lot of this. So this, what I plan on using this for is like sore muscles and that kind of stuff. I think I'm gonna read up on it and remember what it's all for. When I go out, I also have my gloves in case I want to harvest some nettles, which I do. Just letting it grow a little bit. Something to dig with. If I want to harvest a root, I need to bring a hand shovel as well. Scissors for easy cutting of lighter stuff. And that's pretty much it on the core harvesting department. So I'm going to get just a little bit of this from each plant so I don't like kill one whole plant, because that's not nice to my plant friends. So there's herbalists and things that believe or teach, think, whatever, that use certain parts of the plant, not others. Like you don't use the root, you only use the leaf and the stem, you only use the this and that. I don't think that makes sense. That's like saying, oh look, there's people. Most people are nice. It's like saying that your elbow is separate from your kidneys and separate from your liver and etc. And I just don't adhere to that belief system. If the medicine is in one part of the plant, then it's in all of the plant. So, in nature, things are quite abundant. So there's no need to, be too worried about taking a little tiny bit, because, there's idiots out there that have taken more than they should have. These are God-given, free medicine and food. God and Goddess given for you to use and enjoy, and you should. But because there's silly people out there, just go off the beaten path a little bit. Some ding dongs that are So these people, I could see them. They couldn't see me. They didn't even look over here at all. So it's fine. Most people are cool, but I've met a few that are like mental, or maybe not mental, maybe that's an exaggeration, but they were telling me I shouldn't take anything from nature because if everybody did that, blah, blah, blah. And it's like, oh my god. Okay, well, if it was a plant that was endangered, obviously I would choose not to do it. Like, I am not an idiot, but I see, like, thousands of these plants here. I know that they're fine. I have common sense and ability to think for myself. So, those kind of people just, get ignored by me. Yep. This is a great trail, and I'm pretty friggin' excited to bring my kids here with their bikes. And I have them next, which is next weekend. Woohoo! Excited! So anyways, this is how you'd make the tincture, and then I don't fill it up all the way to the top because it needs breathing space. So if it's an oil, it's going to sit in the oil. I'm going to fill it up to about here. You're going to make sure that it's fully submerged. So I put rocks on top and check it every day. Make sure the plant matter is well underneath the oil, because anything that sticks up above it can rot and mold. So I use pure olive oil, not extra virgin. It will rot more readily with extra virgin, and extra virgin has more of the oxalate poisons that are in the plant, which we're not interested in having those if we can avoid them. So pure olive oil, organic if you can find it, is great. But we're just going to use this as an external application, so I don't know. It still matters, but I don't worry about it too much. And then I am going to make ointments out of it, so I'm going to add some other things to it at that point. So I'll try to do a video about that when I do it. Right now I'm going to just put the lid on this, and the oil is also in my car. It's like a gallon, so pretty heavy for me to hike with. So I'm going to end this video, and then I'm going to keep collecting some more of this amazing medicine, Arnica. Don't know any of the other names. You can easily look all the information up that you need to know about Arnica. Don't look up anything from medical system anything. They don't know anything about herbs or plants. I'm not taught that. So, look at the alternative info, people that are actually using the plant and know how to use plants. And then also use your discernment. If it doesn't feel right, don't do it. It doesn't matter what anyone's saying about it, okay? Because your gut is perfectly attuned to what's best for specifically you. Like, I've gotten a lot of information lately that plants are terrible, evil monsters that shouldn't be used by humans, and I totally get what they're saying. But I also know that native wild peoples use them, and they prepared them in a certain way to make them safe and beneficial. And I'm inspired like a crazy lunatic right now to do this. So I decided I'm going to trust that, no matter what I've learned and heard about the plants lately. So I'm going to make sure to prepare them perfectly as I've learned that the native peoples do it. And I'm going to pay attention how it makes me feel when I'm consuming it, because we don't want to do anything to make us harm our health. We are trying to have superior human bodies here that not only thrive and function to thriving optimum levels, but whom are cute. Okay? So if you see a lot of these vegetable plant eaters with their straw-looking hair and their deteriorating bodies and just not cute. Well, that's because they're not doing it, they're not preparing it correctly, and they're hurting themselves, so we don't want to do that. So we're going to pay attention and make sure that this is for a thriving life. If not, I won't do it again, you know? So we will see in the short, near future. Okay, go out, collect some plants if that's what you're inspired to do, and have fun out in nature. Peace out.